Hi everyone, so today I'm talking about Netflix being up 10%. This is after their Q1 earnings, which were really good. If you actually look at the Q1 earnings, we had pretty much the earnings per share kind of beat by quite a bit. The revenue was actually about where they predicted, but I think the big thing that sent the stock up to 10% at one point, I think it was around about 10%. I think it ended up closing the day around about 7%, and then yesterday, I think it just stayed around neutral really. It didn't go up or down. But it was the subscribers numbers, and the subscriber numbers were insane. I'm sure you've seen them. Adding 200 million new subscribers to the US, and then another I think 500 million to the international side of it as well, which was really good, really strong number growth. When you look at that and you think about how long now Netflix has been going and it's still adding that many amount of people to the subscribers, it shows you there's still so much of the market that Netflix can go and take. Personally, I got Netflix I think around about February this year. So it shows you that Netflix can still capture a lot of the market. As you know before, I actually was a shareholder in Netflix. I made a lot of money off it, sold it. Unfortunately, because of the double correction that we've had, basically means that I've lost quite a bit of the money that I did make from it. I'll have to do a video about how much money I made so far this year, because it's been a while since I've done one of those videos. But I lost a bit of that with the correction, but it was a really good stock to hold. It's a very good stock to buy when it's low down. I think at one point in the correction it was down at 280ish. It's back up at 330 now, so that's like a $50 gain per share, which is insane. You know, if you're able to get 100 shares of that, you're making a nice bit of money on that amount of money. Talk about $5 worth of money made on that stock. So it's a good one to get in when it's nice and low. We'll probably see another bit of a gain. So if you do see the stock dip, it's a good time to be buying Netflix stock. I would not buy right now. It's around about, I think it's $3.35 right now. So that's not a good point, in my opinion, to be getting in, because it's high. If any bad news come out in the media, then that's going to send the stock back down. That's when it's getting your dip. Not when it's high. When it's high, that's when it normally comes down quite a bit. So hold off on Netflix stock right now, in my opinion, and get back in when it's a little bit lower. I've got to say, I did see something quite funny the other day. A YouTuber, which I won't say the name, basically put on their YouTube account that they've swing traded Netflix and they bought in at 335. Not to be funny, but it's at 335. If you swing trading earnings, you get in before earnings, and then you see what happens. You don't get into earnings and then go, oh yeah, I'm swing trading Netflix stock. You just bought at the all-time high. And this guy's got like thousands of subscribers. I won't say the name. But it's like, guys, come on, you're better than this. You know, you can make money nice and easy by buying at the right time. Buy low, sell high, easy money. That's buying high. It's its all-time high. Buy when it was at 280. So Netflix now is a hold. If you want it to go for earnings, I'm going to do a video in my next video. I'll talk about 3 stocks which I believe are going to destroy earnings. So I'll do that in a little bit. But yeah, Netflix, hold on now. I think if you made the money, nice one. Personally, if I was in Netflix now and I was in around that 280 mark, I'd be selling. But that's my opinion. So guys, give the video a like. I'll see you in the next video where I'll talk about 3 stocks that I think will have some really good earnings. See you then.